welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take down the Christmas tree. So I have a lot of work to do, but first I want to do an unboxing together with you. Together with my husband, we bought Timberland winter boots. Yes, I know winter is almost over, but we found great discounts that we couldn't resist, so we had to take advantage of it. Let me show you. I will start with my boots, and remember that everything I show you has an additional 20% off on top of the original discounted price. This is the first pair. They are black premium nubuck leather, but they are not waterproof. Their initial price was $170, but they were reduced to $110. And on top of that, like I said, we had an extra 20% off. The next pair that I bought are for kids because those sizes fit me as well, so why not? This color is called Wheat. They are premium nubuck leather and waterproof. Their initial price was $130 and was reduced to $90. My husband bought this dark brown pair. The initial price was $160 and they were reduced to $80. These black ones were initially $180 and were reduced to $100. And these ones. The color is called Wheat. The initial price was $170 and they were reduced to $90. His boots are all waterproof and premium nubuck leather. We took advantage of this discount and I thought I'd share it with you. For those interested, you can find all the links in the description. Okay, now we move on to the Christmas tree. So today I want to take down the Christmas tree because it's already February. I kept it until now because this year I felt that I didn't enjoy it enough. But now I'm starting to feel that I don't have enough space because in the place where the Christmas tree is now, there was the dining table and now it sits in front of the sofa. I'm starting to feel that it does not belong here, so everything must return to normal. We will start by making a little space, bring the storage boxes, take everything from under the tree and get to work. This is how my Christmas tree looks like. This time I wanted to make it simpler with a lot of white wood to give it a rustic air and red accents. One last look and let's get started! Okay, while I'm taking a break, I want to tell you that I organized the decoration a little and I put the cranberries aside because they also fit in the fall season. Next, I want to show you these scented sticks which smell like fur that I discovered this year. So guys, if you have an artificial Christmas tree and you want it to smell like a natural one, this is the solution. They smell very strong, they hang on the Christmas tree, and I think I bought them from Canadian Tire if I'm not mistaken. Okay, back to business. The next step is to take down the lights and put the tree in its box. Okay guys, I took down the Christmas tree and now what I want to do is take all the other Christmas decorations from the house and organize the decorations a little by putting them in bigger boxes to have more space, because their original boxes are very fragile and I can't put anything on them. last step is of course cleaning and putting everything back in place. Okay guys, I finished everything that I had to do. Everything is more organized now and I have more space. I hope you liked today's video. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time!